there, happy Thursday. I just wanted to review a few things that I posted from Wednesday. I updated it quite a bit. So everybody's portrait is based on a grading rubric, and this is also posted on the assignment under the instructions. Each section, there's 5 sections here, are worth 20 points. From accurate drawing and proportions, remember where I checked and I helped you and adjusted everything to make sure it was just right before you did shading. But if you didn't, work with me on that, that will affect your 20 points if it's incorrect. Lights, mediums, and darks. This is what I wanted to emphasize. A full value range. Some students don't seem to understand that we have a value range from the whites of the paper gradually going darker and darker. I want to see that full value range. If you're really struggling with that, you can make a tiny little value range and hold it up to the picture to see what values are missing, or if you're not sure what the right value is. I will be grading today, but I'm going to give you guys a little extra wiggle room to raise that grade up until Friday. Wait, today's Thursday. That's we have a grading window. Let me see here. We'll say Friday for now. All right, to raise that grade, because I think several of you are going to get a rude awakening, because I will grade this to the T of what the grading rubric is. It's not subjective. This is all about your effort. Did you turn it in on time? Did you show high craftsmanship, attention to detail, and all that? So think about the value range that we've talked about for over a semester. Think about when you shade that sphere, okay? So I'm giving you an opportunity, if you know your grade isn't great, to still raise it. You have all day today, all day tomorrow, and I'll see how that goes. So I'm going to be grading live. This young lady, we talked about how she still needed to add more shadows, like it was substantially in this area darker, and I compare the two. I look at the side by sides and I really compare. And I'll write down feedback to help you. This young lady, this is a much darker value than what she had right here. So she's aware of that. And if you're doing the things the teacher is telling you to do, even if it feels uncomfortable, do it, because that's what I'm trying to grade you on. If I don't see those value ranges, then you're not going to get the grade for it. I don't want you to be shocked about that. I'm grading you on the effort and applying the information that I'm telling you to raise your grade. Okay, here we go. Progress reports are due on the 5th. So let's look at the calendar here. The 5th is on Friday. So that'll be, oh, I'm in the wrong month. I'm sorry. The 5th is still on a Friday. Fantastic. So I'm going to give you guys until, let's say, Wednesday. I'll give you until Wednesday to raise any grades for your report card. If you're missing something, I will not do proof of practices because it's not fair to everyone else that turns in the proof on time. And I give you till 7 p.m., so there's no real excuse on that. All right, so I'm going to write here all grades must be in before Wednesday. So that's March 3rd. And that gives me time to complete the report card. No later than Wednesday. And I'm going to be really strict about that. All right. So if anybody has any questions up until that point, and that's for assignments, I'll put all assignment grades, not proof of practices. All right, I'm going to put here no late proof of practices. I've been saying that for a very long time. It just doesn't update, and I don't have the time for it. Sorry, guys. you got to turn that in the same day. That helps me avoid plagiarism and all kinds of problems. So that I have to be strict about it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop this video and talk to students that want me to grade theirs first. And if you're still working on it, just, let me know when you're ready for that grade. I'm gonna start grading. I should be done grading everything and giving people feedback by tomorrow. So the sooner you get it, the better.